Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. As you can see, your girl kind of stepped out her comfort zone in the quarantine and she went blonde. I love it. It's a new look and I love the quality. This hair is from Unice Hair. Now all the details for the hair that I'm wearing will be listed down below. I can't wait for you guys to see the whole process and how I got this done. Make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get straight on into this video. Alright guys, so I'm kind of nervous because this is the first time in a long time that I've put a wig on, and then two, I kind of stepping out my comfort zone right now in regards to the color because it's blonde, but we're gonna make it work. So keeping my fingers crossed that this turns out good, because yeah, I hope it does not turn out to be a fail, but we're gonna get straight on into it. Okay, so I'm gonna spray down my edges. And if you see me looking away, I'm just looking in my mirror because I want my edges to be flat, so that way when I'm putting on the cap, you know, my hairs don't get caught up in it. Alright, so now we're gonna put the wig cap on. Damn, bro. This shit too tight for my head. Okay. Now, I'm kind of nervous, guys. Guys, I am so nervous because I don't want to mess this up. But anyway, gonna put my cap on, and I am going to take my scissors and cut 2 holes. So I saw Arnell Armand do this, and I'm gonna try it. Hopefully I don't screw this up. But she took her lace glue, and I'm using Bold Hold Active. I'm gonna do 2 layers of this. So at each application, I make sure I wipe off the edge with alcohol, because if you do each layer and not wipe it off, it's going to have like the residue and it's not going to look cute. So make sure you clean off your application tool. Alright, so I did 3 layers and I think it's fully dry. So now we're going to cut the wig cap. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some foundation and just lightly buff this into the wig cap, just so that it looks a little bit more flawless. So I'm making sure I brush all the hair back so there's no hair stuck in my wig cap. So yeah, I'm just making sure that I'm measuring both sides and that the wig cap I've cut enough, so that way we can move on to the next step. Kind of excited. I'm loving the color. I'm excited. Alright, so now that I've mapped it out and saw like where the edges match and everything else on the hairline, I'm gonna do 2 more layers of the bold hold. I'm gonna do 2 or 3 just to make sure that baby is laid. Alright, so I think all the layers have dried fully, and I'm just gonna clip the hair back because I don't want anything coming in the way. And let's lay the front. Kind of just trying to press it in right now. Alright, so I'm gonna like pull it back because it's giving me some issues to do that. Okay. Now we're talking. So I'm gonna tie this as tight as I can because I really want the lace melted in. Let me cut this lace first. It's kind of in my way. I am going to take my scissors and I'm just going to do layers, and I'm going to speed this process up because it's going to take too long. So I'm just going to try and perfect the cut first and then style it. So I have cut most of it. I think I'm going to go back in and do more layers, but I'm going to use my curling iron. You can get this at Target, Walmart. It's the Conair brand, and I am just going to, oh, wrong way. I'm going to do some curls.
SOS, baby.
This hair, I love this hair. Like, it curls so good. It held up the curls for a really long time. I'm gonna keep it 100 with you guys. Like, I've never seen hair that has held up the way how this held up with the curls. I cannot believe. All right guys, as you can see, no lace. Like, where, sis? Where you see that wig? Cut the lace. The only thing that I have to do is I take my concealer and I'm going to use just a tiny brush and work in that middle part because you want it to look realistic. And I think that's it. Let's see. Guys, what do you think? I kind of feeling the blonde. All right, so I'm gonna call my man and see if he likes this hair. We'll see. Let's see what he says. Out of 10, what do you think? Like, does it look like a wig?
It doesn't look like a wig.
What lace is? What lace?
Hello, they don't bang, girl. Alright, take this.
Alright, well, I'll call you soon. So guys, this is the finishing result and I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already and click that notification bell. Also, comment down below if you think I did a pretty good job at this hair, and I will see you guys in my next video.